Here's problem number 6 from assignment 2. We try the plug and chug method and say, well, what would happen if we simply plugged in pi over 4 into there, and we end up getting cosine of pi over 2. Cosine of pi over 2 is 0. It's a division by 0 problem, and that doesn't help us out. But maybe we have some other tricks up our sleeves. Perhaps that trick up our sleeves is an identity, and that is that cosine of 2x is equal to cosine squared x minus sine squared x. Let's write that down. Cosine squared x minus sine squared x. And you might recognize that as a difference of squares. That'd be cosine x minus sine x times cosine of x plus sine of x. Now, the top and this portion here are almost the same. Why don't we factor out a negative sign, and we end up getting sine of x minus cosine of x with a negative sign up front, and then a cosine of x plus sine of x there. This and this cancel, and so now we're left with the limit as x approaches pi over 4 of, let's call that negative 1 over cosine of x plus the sine of x, which is negative 1. Cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. And the same thing for sine of pi over 4, which ends up being negative 1 over root 2, or negative root 2 over 2. Any one of those.